Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Acura MDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, leather upholstery, power front seats, automatic temperature control, a power liftgate, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.